you don't feel like you're letting yourself down.
Dude.
And you're not scared of letting anyone else down.
Dude.
So I'm experiencing this for the first time in my 30s.
Yeah.
As a responsible adult.
Yeah, as a responsible
who has
adult.
to teach a child to have high agency, who has to model that.
Yeah. To model motivation as well.
I'm not the good, but I don't feel bad.
I'm